Welcome to the Grumpy Gobbler channel. My name's Noah, and I'm thrilled to have you here. Around 10 years ago, the camping bug bit me hard when I moved to Colorado. I pondered on the best way to camp and eventually decided to transform my 4Runner into a cozy sleeping haven. I added the mods that I would need to get me where I wanted to go, and I built a custom drawer and sleeping platform to suit my camping needs. While this channel is primarily dedicated to my camping adventures, it also serves as a platform for me to enhance my video and editing skills. I strive to improve with each video, always aiming to surpass the quality of the previous one. Occasionally, I may even experiment with different video themes, but rest assured, I want to provide entertainment value with each video. Although this isn't a product review channel, I may occasionally discuss or review certain products if I believe they can genuinely benefit my audience. If you enjoy camping, outdoor exploration, and witnessing the growth of this channel, I invite you to hit the subscribe button and become a part of the community. Oh yeah, I also do a little cooking like almost every other camping channel out there.